Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple power and connection issues. First, fully shut down the Xbox, unplug the power and wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button 10 seconds to discharge residual power. Once done, reconnect and test. Next, inspect the HDMI cable and port visually, then swap cables or try a different TV input to rule out handshake errors. Finally, make sure you're on the latest console OS by navigating to Settings, then System, then Updates before continuing to deeper fixes. You now focus on software and storage, which commonly cause crashes. First, clear persistent storage and the cache by using the Settings menu or performing another brief power cycle. This removes corrupted temporary files. Make sure the internal drive has at least 10 to 15% free space. Uninstall large, unused titles to free room. Once done, update each crashing game and the console. If a recent update caused crashes, use the offline system update tool to reinstall a clean OS image and test stability before moving on. You finish with hardware verification and controlled resets. Boot into safe mode and try a factory reset that keeps your games and apps first. This often repairs system files without deleting everything. Make sure the console has 2-3 inches clearance, is placed vertically or as recommended, and that fans are not obstructed. Overheating causes thermal shutdowns. If crashes persist, backup profiles and saves, note error codes, then contact Xbox support or an authorized repair service for diagnostics or board-level repair advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.